Good morning, student. Today we are discussing the topic regarding the vitamins. In our previous lecture, we discussing about the details of these vitamins and about the vitamin A. So today we are discussing about the vitamin D. So the vitamin D is also called as the vitamin D3. It is synthesized in a skin which is exposed to sunlight in the morning time. So it regulates the absorption of the phosphorus and the calcium during the bone growth. The deficiency of this vitamin D can result in the weak bone. Then here is a structure of this vitamin D and the vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is also called as the cholecalciferol, and here is the structural and the chemical formula of this vitamin D. So here is the function of vitamin D. First function of this vitamin D is the essential for the proper utilization of calcium and phosphorus to produce the normal and healthy bones. Then to ensure the calcium and phosphorus are deposited in bones and teeth to strengthen them. Then in kidney, vitamin D increases the tabular reabsorption of these phosphate, which affects the reabsorption of the calcium. So all according to all these functions, the vitamin D is very essential for the normal growth of our bones and the teeth, as this vitamin D is essential for deposition of calcium and phosphorus in our bones, and the bones are the major or the essential part of our human body. So the sources for this vitamin D, which are those sources? So main and the rich abundant source of this vitamin D is the sunlight. So sunlight is the main source of vitamin D, which is the synthesized the vitamin D on the adjacent layer of the skin. In the morning hour, the sunshine is a very or the sunshine can form this vitamin C. So it can be synthesized in our body by the action of UV rays of sunlight on dehydrocholesterol stored in the skin. Means this reaction is takes place with the help of the sunlight and the dehydrocholesterol, and which forms the vitamin D. So next to that, the animal source of this vitamin D is the liver, then egg yolk, butter, cheese, fish liver oil, vanaspati ghee, and the margarine are the other animal source of this vitamin D. Then deficiency symptoms of this vitamin D is the rickets. Rickets is the major deficiency symptoms of this vitamin D, and which is mainly formed in a small children's rather than the adults. It is observed in young children's bones are soft and the yield is pressure due to reduced calcification of the growing bones, severely walking, and the teeth are decayed. Then curved legs, knock knees, means the major symptoms is related to the bones of the children's, means the children's having the they cannot be growth the growing of these bones is not properly done, so they having the problem regarding the walking. Then the teeth formation is not takes place, so delayed in teething takes place. Next deficiency symptoms of this vitamin D is the osteomycia. Then this osteomycia is mainly occurs in the woman, especially during the pregnancy and the lactation. Here is the picture which shows the typical symptoms of this rickets and the osteomycia. In the picture of these rickets, you can see the knocking of the legs, so the children cannot be stand properly, having this rickets problem. The next to that second major problem of this vitamin D deficiency is the osteomalacia. Here is the picture which shows the normal bones and the osteomalacia affected bones. So the normal bones having these structure, the bone structure is very closely, but if the bones are infected, or the person who having this deficiency of vitamin D can having these more deficiency of vitamin D. Thank you.